Welcome to Mega Auto World. Today we're exploring the all-new 2026 John Deere model, a tractor that's redefining power, precision, and comfort for the next generation of farming. The very first thing you'll notice is the engine upgrade. John Deere has boosted horsepower and torque across the entire RPM range, giving you stronger pulling power and smoother performance even in the toughest terrain. This isn't just about brute force. Fuel injection has been optimized for remarkable efficiency, so you can work longer with fewer fuel stops. Step inside the cab and you'll feel the difference immediately. The noise level is dramatically reduced thanks to better insulation, redesigned engine mounts, and vibration dampening. The seat now offers advanced suspension for all-day comfort, while the panoramic windshield and repositioned mirrors give you clearer visibility and fewer blind spots. Technology is front and center in this 2026 model. A large touchscreen display puts GPS guidance, machine monitoring, and hydraulic settings at your fingertips. Auto steer and precision farming tools are easier than ever to set up, while built-in telemetry tracks fuel usage, engine performance, and maintenance schedules so you stay ahead of potential issues. The hydraulics and PTO systems have been given a serious upgrade. Higher hydraulic flow makes attachments like plows, seeders, and loaders respond faster and with greater precision. PTO engagement is smoother, minimizing jerkiness when powering implements. Differential lock and enhanced traction control mean you can tackle muddy or uneven ground with confidence. John Deere has also focused on sustainability and operating costs. The advanced exhaust treatment reduces emissions while improved combustion technology keeps fuel consumption low. Service intervals are longer too, so you'll spend more time working and less time in the shop. Safety hasn't been overlooked. Brighter LED lighting ensures excellent nighttime visibility. Integrated cameras provide rear and side views when reversing or using wide implements. Emergency stop controls are more accessible, and the reinforced rollover protection gives added peace of mind. Durability is another standout. Reinforced chassis components, stronger axles, and upgraded cooling systems mean the 2026 can withstand the harshest conditions, from scorching heat to freezing cold. Critical parts have been redesigned with stronger seals and joints, so the tractor stays reliable season after season. Even routine maintenance is easier. Engine panels open wide for quick access, filters are clearly marked, and modular parts make repairs faster and simpler. The 2026 John Deere isn't just a minor update, it's a leap forward in power, efficiency, safety, and comfort. Whether you're managing hundreds of acres or working on specialized operations, this machine is built to keep you productive and profitable. Thanks for watching Mega Auto World. Let us know in the comments which feature of the 2026 John Deere excites you most, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the latest automotive and agricultural innovations.